Weatherman, don't tell me lies, I know it's all a big surprise. It's a hocus pocus magic that you do.
Good morning, I'm Meteorologist David Knollhoff. Thank you for joining us for another weekly weather edition right here on WEITV. Of course, you can always catch us on Twitter or Facebook. Well, it is springtime, and that means some rainfall has been in the weather pattern recently. Let's go ahead and talk about the details. Well, this past week, we've had several little disturbances that have come over the Texas area. Actually, 3 of them that started last weekend. We had plentiful moisture on top of that as well, and that translated to rainfall over the Texas Hill Country. The first wave came early Saturday time frame, which only really produced some drizzle. And then on Sunday time frame, we had some well-developed showers and thunderstorms that came with the second wave, dropped almost 1 inch across Kendall County and other parts, isolated higher amounts. And then on the Tuesday night, Wednesday time frame, we had the third and final series of showers and thunderstorms that affected a good portion of the hill country. Actually, most areas got around 1 inch, and some areas had higher amounts. Farther east, like say Bastrop, had 3 inches of rainfall and severe weather also. Large hail fell in certain locations across the I-35 and I-10 corridors. Temperatures were fairly mild through the weekend with 70s and 80s for highs, and then of course we cooled down after the cold front came through on Wednesday time frame, and we dropped down to the 60s for the highs and 40s for low temperatures. Well, we have some more good news to share. Right now we're in a dry pattern for primarily the weekend time frame, but it looks like we're going to have a repeat this coming week like we had last week. We're going to have another frontal system that drops down by Tuesday night, Wednesday time frame, and we have plentiful moisture also. That's going to bring some drizzle across the weekend. High temperatures are going to be warm in the 70s and 80s. Until this cold front comes through on Wednesday and drops us back down to the 60s, again with rainfall. So what that translates to, I'm going to go ahead and lie on the pessimistic side, at least initially here, and look for rainfall totals on the Tuesday to Wednesday time frame across the eastern portion of the hill country, about 1/2 of an inch to 1 inch. There's probably going to be some higher rainfall amounts and some severe weather associated with this cold front as it does drop down. So that's what we're going to be looking at this coming week. I will keep you informed of any major changes, but high temperatures will be in the 70s and 80s and then drop down to the 60s by by Thursday into Friday time frame. So a repeat of the weather system, look forward to it. We'll keep you in contact. I'm Meteorologist David Knollhoff.
Weatherman, don't tell me lies, I know it's all a big surprise. It's a hocus pocus magic that you do. You look at clouds and watch them swirl.